Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take a compound trade. Start from the $10, and I wish to take to reach for $120. Okay, so I am planning to take only four trade. So within the four trade, I can reach from 10 to 120. That is my target. Let me show you how I am going. I'm One is volume analysis, another one is price action. So let me take a trade. I will be taking a 5-minute trade that is less than the 5 minute. So this is my first trade, which is moving here. So the first, I just saw there is a level previously, and the level which is this higher high is breakout by the strong candle. That is my key level. And I find there is a price action in this level, and also my volume is decreased here. And for a confirmation, I have putting a moving average deviation volume, that too less. If both are less, I can take a trade, a continuous trade in the trend direction. That is what the trade is moving. So you can see if I will be putting for the 3 minute. Why? Because it's already this candle is a price action, right? The candle already crossed my two. Okay, the out of the 5 minute, the 2 minute is cross already. So I am making this for the remaining 3 minutes. So I have put it for 3 minutes, and I have just entered safely little bit down, and I know that this candle will be cross this level actually. So I'm waiting for the candle to be crossed. Okay, so you can see it will be surely make a high move above the level. This seems that you might be seeing the volume. Okay, and you must also see the price action. So the price action is here. It is a morning star, as well as the level is there, and I see the volume is also the less, and both the volume must confirm for me, so that I place a trade. Okay, so that's what this trade. So this you can see that trade is going to be end in 10 seconds. Yeah, it is nearly, it is moving good. So I will be easily win. Okay, so this is what my first trade. So from starting from that $10, I make it as a $8 here. So then again, I'm watching for the next trade. Now my percentage is 18.90. So in this, I just see the level. In this, I'm just going to double my balance. So it is 18.90. So I have gone with the price action pattern here. Okay, so there is a price pattern. So I find this, I take the 5-minute trade, because it is it is the price of the engulfed pattern. Okay, so the strategy is, when I see the engulfed pattern, I will wait for the two candles. Okay, this is an engulfed one. So I will not place in any trade immediately, because there is no past level or something. So I just see the concepts. So I wait this 1 and 2 candle. Okay, after this candle, I make a 5 candles to be exactly down of my level. So that is what I place the trade here. So in this also, I have seen the volume, and I have seen my volume is also less with this price. Okay, you can see my volume is less with my original um, volume. But when I see the MACD, which is in the just in the bottom to the top, okay, that not an issue. But anyway, the next candle I can see, in this green candle, I can see there is a less in the volume. So I make sure that my strategy will work here. Okay, so I place a trade here. So let's see the result. So I have put it 5 minute. Okay, so the two and candle is over, and the third candle is currently running. So any price action you will work. I have different strategies over be using in this price action level. So here for this trade, I just made a price action with my rules. Okay, I just made a fractal for sign, and I made two moving averages here. One is a 21 EMA. This green indicates the 21 EMA here. Okay, and the green that is yellow indicate the moving average of 50 moving average. So I just want to know what is a major trend and what is a minor trend. So this green indicate the 21 EMA, which indicate the minor trend. Okay, 21 EMA, which shows me the minor trend, and this 50 moving average, the yellow will shows me the major trend. So the major trend and the minor trend is same here. Okay, so I have seen almost this has been breakout and it crossed. So it is away from my moving average. So I make a confirm that the price action will be soon going to be reversed. So that's why this pattern is moving down. Okay, so we can make sure that how our strategy will work. Okay, I will always make sure that sometimes in the case of OTC, I will use the moving average deviation alone. Okay, so moving average deviation or not, I have taken any kind of default pattern. Here I have just taken some script has been changed over. For my purpose, I have changed and I have using here. And I have seen original volume. Always I have seen the original volume. The original volume will confirm me how my trade is going to be an accurate one. Okay, so at the end of the last 30 seconds also, it makes me as a win. Okay, that is what I ensure here. My pattern, my price action key level here. So that's what the second candle. So I am damn sure that this second trade will be a winning trade for me. And you can make a confident level of trading by make sure that well knowing the price action. So price action, there are different kinds of strategies are there. So many traders will trade in different angles. They have some type of confirmation. Without taking confirmation also work, but I mainly use a confirmation with some kind of volume and also some kind of candles here. So in this trade, I just confirm the candle as well as the volume. So both you will use, that is a good one. So you can see this is a win trade. So I have double by balance. This is what my second trade. Now I am going to move to my third trade. Okay, so my third trade, I just want to double this again with my previous balance too. So now we can see the second trade. Okay, so you can see the point which I enter is a right way here. That what it seems. Now I'm just going to take my third trade. So I double my balance. It is 35.72. So in this, I just see I have seen the price action and I have set the volume. Also, you can see my confirmation here. So I got a confirmation in this price momentum. The volume is less here as well as the volume is less here. So I make sure it's my entry. So I make a change in the timing and I make an entry. So always I enter in the safer level. So I can enter here. So anyway, it will be win. But my safety things, I must be enter in the safer level here. So I make a little bit entry at the top. Okay, anyway, I know after below the red candle only it will be close. So I want to take a good trade because the amount when I make high, I make a best place to enter my trade. Okay, so this was my third trade. So you can see I had taken 3 minutes. As I said, when I see the price action pattern, already the 2 minutes is over. So I will making for the remaining 3 candle of entry so that the second candle is running. Okay, so you can see how your entry is. So you can at the end of the closing, you must be knowing that when you take the lower level also, no issues, it will be come down. But what happened, no, normally when you take a trade, you might be feel that you are in the heart attack. Right. So to avoid that, I must be entering in the safer level. I know that my volume conforms and my MACD conforms and my good entry is here. I have a level here and the strong breakout in this level. That is what my key level here. Always I take safer entry here. So in this, you can see how it is touching. It will touch, it will goes up At last 30 minutes, or 30 seconds, it will come down. That is what the technique it is. So anyway, we can sit calmly and we can watch the market. It gives you a better results when your strategies are strong, when you are trading volume is good, then surely will be a good profit. Okay, so that's what the candle is moving good, but it came up. I know that below, you can see in deeply, it will close or always close below the red, below the second red. Okay, the price action which I get, the below that level only it will down, and I'm sure that you can make an entry very safely. So safer entry is always good. You can see how it is came down. Can you see? Below my red, it came down. That is what my strategy is. So it will be perfectly work. Now my third trade is over. Now I am looking for my fourth trade. So I have double my balance again. Okay. Now I'm waiting for my trading volume here. Now the thing is, I got a price action right here. I have got a evening star pattern at the top. In this, I have to make sure that whether this price action is going to be work or not. So yes, I got the confirmation. The two candle is there, which is down, and the volume is less. And here the volume is less. So what is I'm going to have going to take us? I'm going to set a time for 5 minutes, and I'm going to place a trade. Okay. So 5 minute entry. So you can see I have set the time. Okay, I'm just going to set the time, but I want to make an entry safer. So what I'm going to do is, I just watch the market, any other pairs are there. If I had just taken 6 pairs to watch because I'm using the volume analysis. So if that thing is there, then I can make a trade here. Okay, I'm watching here. I don't find any of the opportunity since. So what I can do is, this is my last trade. I found there is again, I found there is a evening star. Okay, so I set the time as 5 minutes. So I just want to confirm it is already in the level, but the trend is already, it moves to the uptrend. Okay, so I just want to confirm whether I have to place or not. So what I can do is, I check whether the morning evening star is exactly, you're right. Yes, it crossed the midpoint of the level. That is good. Yeah, I get a factual indication. I confirm, but I want to confirm. I just want to wait two candle. That is what my strategy when I looking for the evening star or morning star. So I wait this two candle too. Okay. So after that, I will set the time for 5 minutes and I will take a trade because I just want to confirm whether the level is breakout, it reverse or not. Okay. So I make sure that I'm looking for the candle, which moves. Okay, I just zoom out the level and I just make the confirmation because the volume it shows, which is less when compared to the previously. So I find that the trend is uptrend. Okay, so I confirm the trend line. Anyway, I'm looking for the major trend. The major trend is the downtrend. Okay, the minor trend is uptrend, the major trend is downtrend. So I confirm with that. Yes, the confirmation level, which is just breakout. So anyway, it suddenly will reverse. I'm damn sure it is will be reverse. But I have waited my two candle, right? My time is going to be 5 minutes. Okay, so I need to change my time. Then I will be enter a safer level. So I will be enter top. I just want to enter now. I missed the chance. Okay, I want to enter. It is at the top level. I want to enter there. Okay, what happened? Okay, I'm going to set my time now. I'm just setting the time. I'm looking the level. Yeah, level is okay because it moves up. No, I'm just a little bit nervous whether it is. Yeah, it will be respecting. There is a rejection in that level. Okay, so once it come to that same level, I make a trade. So I make a alert symbol there. Okay, it shows that the rejection is there. So surely it is going to be respect. I make a confirmation there. Okay, volume is still in the lower level. So, okay, because the factorial is indicating, okay, no issues. It seems as an red inverted hammer. Okay, so I want to change the timing and I should enter. Yeah, okay. I will be change the timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I set the time. I just enter there. Okay. If I enter at the top, that is too good. But I wait for the rejection. No, I missed that entry. Okay, no issues. If it moves up also, the last minute it will be down. It will be came down. I'm very sure in that. Okay, so I'm seeing the red, the big red candle. If it red hammer it comes, it will be down. That is one assurance I have. So I'm looking for this candle to be, there is a strong rejection, but anyway, the candle moves up also. The last minute, the candle will be down. Okay, because of the volume as well as the price moment, I confirm the trade. I know that seriously it will be down. So I'm looking for that because this hammer, red inverter hammer, the middle is the level. It got rejected. Okay, we have a time. The remaining 3 seconds it have. So surely it will be down. So we can wait patiently here. Um, because the entry is good. Okay, I have put it entry as the little bit top of the that is mid of my level. My mid of the level is good. Okay, the entry is good. So I just made this. Okay, we will wait. Okay, so I just pass the trade fastly because it takes a little bit time, 2 more minutes. Okay, let's see. Anyway, if the candle moves up also, I will wait patiently. I have a confident that the last minute the candle will be down. I'm very sure in that. Okay, so it is again moving up, giving me a pressure. It is moving up. Okay, no issues. And in the last minute, it will be down. I'm very confident. Okay, it up. Okay, so can you see? This is what my result. I said no. The last minute the candle will be down. So there is a rejection in the previous one. I make a confident. I will show you the 5 minute candle. How when the green and there a red hammer, then the price will be low. This is what my strategy is. So I made a five trade, sorry, four trade, the four winning trade. So 4:4, it's good entry for my trading. Thank you. Thanks for your watching. If you are well known about all the price action and the volume, with the price action alone is more enough to take a 4 winning trade a day. Okay, so the 4 winning trade, with the 4 win trade, you can easily make a good profit. Okay, without the loss, if you want to trade, you have to practice a lot. The practice gives you the more result. So I start from the 10 and I made a compound. I make a $126 for this entire trade. So it is too good. You can start by a little and you can make the top. So this is what my first compound trade, and the next compound trade I'm aiming from $100 to $1,000. Keep watching and subscribe my channel. Very soon I will be updating you $100 to $1,000 how I am achieving the target. Thank you. Keep watching, subscribing. Thank you all.